Yeah, but they all have different incentives and fee structures. So like one of the providers is giving 6 months no fee for like setting up or anything.
Okay.
Another one's giving like a year, and then their fees are like I think it was 0.20 or like 20%.
Oh, you seen some of their fees?
Yeah. So Bitwise lowered its fees. I don't have what their fees were before, but Bitwise lowers its fees to 0.2, like 0.2%. So like 20.
0.2%.
Yeah, 0.2.
Okay.
Valkyrie lowered its rate to 0.49%, so 0.5% essentially. Investigo Galaxy lowered its to 0.39, and Wisdom Trees lowered theirs to 0.30. Greyscale has kept its fee at the higher end. I forgot what number.
Where do you get those numbers from?
Twitter.
From Twitter?
Bitcoin Magazine.
Oh, no way, Jose. Yeah, they post a lot. They post a lot because I've scrolled like a mile already, and it's only same day.
I sent it.
Yeah, I see. Oh, okay, yeah, I see. Bitwise is lowered theirs to 0.2%. Valkyrie's to 0.49. Investigo Galaxy 0.39, and Wisdom Trees lowered theirs to 0.3%. Ready for approval. Fire sign. Wow. Let's go, Bitcoin ETF. Are you selling your Bitcoins to the?
Not right now.
You're like, nope.
I don't think it's worth. If you're holding real Bitcoin,
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's worth selling right now. Why are you going to sell when they inject it, knowing that the market is going to keep on just pumping money into it?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to see Bitcoin probably get, by the end of the year, maybe $100 billion into it.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
from institutions.
Injected into it.
Yeah, from institutions. So why would you want to sell it right now?
Them, yeah. Like if it's like another Bitcoin that's not really on a custodial account where you're custodian of it.
Like for most part, anyone who holds Bitcoin probably won't sell.
Yeah, no, Bitcoiners, hardcore Bitcoiners.
Yeah.
Yeah. People who have at least some coin.
Like
they're not gonna sell it.
The only people who might sell are the ones are some of the people holding Greyscale.
Holding Greyscale, I feel like the people who hold Bitcoin on Robinhood would probably sell.
Why? They can send it out.
Yeah, but like, will they?
What do you mean?
Like, I feel like just the target audience of the people who use Robinhood. Like, Robinhood is one of those like investor-friendly apps, like newbie-friendly.
Yeah. For
people who don't really have a lot of experience on the market. So, if you're using Robinhood, at least that's how I first started trading way back when. I was like, oh, let me get Robinhood. It's zero fees, it's super easy to use. So it enabled a lot of people to start trading. But to be self-custodial Bitcoin holder, it takes a little bit of know-how. Just a little bit. Not a crazy amount, but like it does take some time and effort. And for the most part, I don't know if Robinhood investors or people who are using Robinhood clients have that time or work commitment for that, for Bitcoin specifically. I guess I'm not saying all of them, but the majority of them would probably.
They also maybe wouldn't sell if they are just holding Bitcoin. Why wouldn't you just continue to hold the asset?
True, yeah. But I don't know. Like I guess it's just also the way I see it is like if you have it on an exchange like Robinhood, then you still don't technically own Bitcoin.
No, but again, it's like why would they sell though?
Mm-hmm. True.
They still hold the underlying. They hold the underlying asset.
Yeah.
I'm sure some people will sell, of course, after that pump because that's their trade. It's like ETF approval.
They're waiting for the trade.
Get out of it, get to the next thing. Anyone trying to just hold it long term or look at it for its intrinsic value, probably wouldn't sell. But Grayscale. I found the tweet. I found the tweet with explaining their fees.
Okay.
Grayscale has it at 1.5%.
1.5
fees, yeah.
Wow, that's significantly higher than everyone else's.
Yeah. They're holding a lot.
Wow.
I think it's also because
what's up with that?
I think they have the most amount being so it's because multiple reasons. I believe they're holding the most amount of Bitcoin. Second to almost end, like they just hold the most. Two, there's also cost for people getting rid of it.
Okay.
to sell it and get everything and then go into another ETF, it's how likely are people going to do that versus just holding in there and paying the 1.5%, like the cost of their like to do it and then rebuying it. Well,
So-
doesn't make sense.
So like what you're saying is that they already have a clientele that's not gonna move.
That may, yeah,
Just opt in
yeah.
and just be okay. Those percentage, 1.5%, way more valuable than lowering the percentage and trying to get new clients to come in.
No, what I'm saying is they don't have an incentive to sell what they have, like to lower theirs because they have such a large clientele already, and it's a headache to switch to get out.
Yeah.
Not necessarily to get new people in, just to switch out.
Just to get out. Okay.
Since they also hold 27 billion worth of Bitcoin, 600,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, they hold around 600,000. So they're like, I don't need new clients really. I just need the ones not to leave. And how hard is it to leave and then go to a new one?
By
Is
the
it
way,
worth it?
We have a clip of us talking about the top 10 Bitcoin holders. I'm gonna add it. Wherever the hell it is.
To the thing?
Yeah, to the thing.
Because some of them are going to do like no fee for up to like $1 billion or $5 billion and then or 6 months, whichever gets there first. So it's really a race to who gets the most assets under management.
Yeah.
Because you don't need 11 ETFs.
Yeah, that's a bunch of ETFs.
So they probably, not all of them will survive.
Yeah, the ones with not enough profit margin for it to be worth their time, they're just gonna close it off and be like, product already exists.